Hello everyone, Innovative Noble, Namaskar. Welcome back to our online classes. It's me, Aarti Vishwakarma, teacher of Noble Environment Academy and great teacher of Montessori Nursery Rose. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Noble Environment Academy. Our exercise name is phonic sound in a small letter. So before that, I am going to introduce the material. This is mat. This is mat made by cotton. Shape is rectangle. Color is green. And it has 4 corners. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner. And both sides are equal. Top to bottom, left to right. What is this? QU. This is tray. And made by Kiliboneko tray. Made by wood. And color is? Which color is this? Purple. And shape is? Kun shape ko? Shape is rectangle. And both sides are equal. Top to bottom, left to right. And it has 2 handles. 1 handle, 2 handle. What is this? It has 4 corners. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner. And what is this? This is indicator line. And indicator line ko kun color sa? Red. Red sa ki nahi? This is red color. And which part is this? This is smooth part. And which part is this? This is rough part. So our introduction is finished. Now I am going to start our exercise. Exercise name is phonic sound in a small letter. So are you all ready? Take out the sandpaper card and keep it in the middle of the mat. Press the sandpaper card with your left hand, 3 finger, thumb finger, index finger, middle finger. Press it and press the sandpaper card with your right hand, 2 finger, index finger, middle finger. Press it. This is indicator line. This is indicator line. This is letter A sound A. A makes a sound A. A sound A. A sound A. Next. Same method. Press sandpaper card with your left hand, 3 finger, thumb finger, index finger, middle finger. Press it and press the sandpaper card with your right hand, 2 finger, index finger, middle finger. Trace it. This is indicator line and this is B sound B. B makes a sound B. Again B sound B. Next, same method. Press the sandpaper card with your left hand and trace the sandpaper card with your right hand. This is indicator line and this is C sound K. C sound K. C makes a sound K. C sound K. Again, same method. Press the sandpaper card with your left hand and trace the sandpaper card with your right hand. Press it. This is indicator line and this is D sound. D makes a sound D. D sound D. card with your left hand and trace the sandpaper card with your right hand. Trace it. This is indicator line and this is E sound A. E makes a sound A. E sound A. See? E sound A. I will repeat again. सबै सँगै पढ्ने है. A sound A. A sound A. B sound B. B sound B. C sound K. C sound K. D sound D. D sound D. E sound A. E sound A. Now read again. A. B. K. D. E. A. B. K. D. A. Read again. A makes a sound A. B makes a sound B. C makes a sound K. D makes a sound D. E makes a sound A. Again. A. B. K. D. A. A. B. K. D. A. Now I am going to place back all the materials. What is this? This is a sound A. A sound A. What is this? This is B sound B. B sound B. What is this? This is C sound K. C sound K. What is this? This is D sound D. D sound D. What is this? This is E sound A. E sound A. This is your homework. Read like this. A makes a sound A. Write down A. And this is B makes a sound B. Write down B. C makes a sound K. Write down K. D makes a sound D. Write down D. And this is E makes a sound A. Write down A. So this is much for today. So thank you. So this is your homework. Write down in your 4-line copy. So thank you. Be safe. Stay at home.